A very good day, everyone, and season's greetings. This is Vijeta here, Executive Director of TIE Bangalore, wishing all our members, our partners, and the entire community of startups, founders, and entrepreneurs a phenomenal season, a great year end for 2021, and a fantastic start to 2022. First, we must thank our partners, our sponsors, people who are standing by us, providing us support, technology, and also helping us to enable the startups and entrepreneurs to grow. So you can see that we are working with Microsoft, Western Digital, Cisco Launchpad, Nine Unicorns, Rule Zero, AWS Head Start, Silicon Valley Bank, NetApp Accelerator, Mouse Electronics, Caspian, Mergerdomo, HubSpot, and of course the government of Karnataka, the startup cell, and KDM, and of course the support that we get to give to our entrepreneurs. They want cloud credits. They need things that will help them to grow and to get their business to the next level. So with the team, Shreya, Vinay, we do this. And nothing will be possible, of course, without the people. This is about the people. This is about engaging the ecosystem and community. This is the IoT forum catch up that we had. Very, very super duper active. So TRA, Venki, Arvind Tiwari, Joy, Vinay himself, and of course, so many volunteers. Som from Bharat Fund who are with us together. As Soma is there, Ravi Chukala is there. We come together and raise the IoT quotient of India, and that's what IoT Forum is all about. Then moving forward, as you can see, this was a charter member retreat. Our charter members are genuinely standing for giving, paying it forward, and making sure that we can do a lot for the startup ecosystem. And we keep brainstorming, right? It's not just about what we are doing well. What can we do better? What are the ways and means that we can engage the community? How can we, with our pillars of funding, connects, giving back in terms of mentoring, giving back in terms of making sure that we can get our members to get lots of customers and lots of community engagement. That's what we are doing, and we're constantly thinking of ways and means. The board, our president himself, Madan Patki, and others are constantly looking at what else can we do to help the entrepreneurs and founders to grow. And it is also critical that we should make sure that communication is very good. So that's why we also are very slowly, because we want to be careful about the pandemic. So many of our founders, our partners, as you can see, like Gaurav Punjabi from Merger Domo, our entrepreneur friends in the ecosystem, and of course our members like Jagat Iyer from Vidphone, Sid, who works for Bank Open, his wife is a startup founder. So we all came together. This is just one of the snapshots of a very beautiful co-working space in Bangalore called Beehive, where we do all these activities. And what else do we do for the ecosystem? We make sure that we can help them to grow. We help them to get customers. We help them to get in front of as many mentors and investors as possible. And we create PR and publicity for them, because you need to do that. It is a crowded market. There is a lot of challenges. This is just one of the things that we did with Intel, one of our finest collaborators and partners. How can we help their cohort grow? How can we help them to get to the best of people? Microsoft, we have been doing a series of roundtables with the leaders of Microsoft India, where the best quality entrepreneurs are interacting so that they can all combine together. They can combine and partner and collaborate. And we also care that we want to make sure that we get the best of the founders who are already successful, who have achieved a lot of funding. They've got lots of customers, they're acquiring companies. So you can see Baiju from Baiju's himself, and then emeritus founder Mr. Vivek Demera was also there. We are doing this SIGs. So we have the EdTech SIG, we have the healthcare SIG, we have got so many other SIGs. Like, of course, leading the way is IoT Forum. So we make sure that the founders, entrepreneurs have a place to interact, get to know rock solid entrepreneurs who have grown. And this is something very beautiful, the Spirit of Thai Awards. You can see Kiran Mazumdar Shaw here. You can see Pratib Kar, who's from Microland, and of course, our wonderful statesman, Narayan Murthy, who's the founder of Infosys. We have been doing these interactions, recognizing their contribution to the city and to the ecosystem, and also their words of wisdom, of inspiration, which is so important for all of us, including our entrepreneurs, our charter members, and members, so that they can learn the wisdom and grow more. So this is what we have to say, just covering a few other aspects through images, which are so very important. Our board members, led by Madan Patki, our current president, Ravi Gururaj and Naganan, who have been the immediate past presidents. You see Sanjay Anandram, you see Kanika, you see BK, then you see Suri from Idea Spring Capital, Priya Chetty, Satya, and then we see that Venki and Surya Narayan. All these gentlemen and ladies are so good. They're so caring. Sanjay Anandram, BK, Joy, they all want to contribute. They are mentors. They are the people who really inspire us, guide us, and make sure that all of us are coming together in the ecosystem and doing the very best possible. So this is what Type Bangalore is all about. Join us, be part of a vibrant community. Lot of programs. Some of you have been part of the 5 a.m. series. You have been part of so many activities that we are doing. We want you to be part of the six. Please come, take advantage of everything that TIE has to offer. At TIE Bangalore, the team is so caring, so giving, and we are inspired by our founders, our charter members, and our board, and of course all our partners. We want to give the best in terms of mentoring, panel discussions, learning series. And with this, Merry Christmas once again. Let's stay in touch. This is Vijeta signing off. Thank you, Vinay, Shreya, Lakshmi, Naveen, Sai, Shivi from the team who are doing so much. Have a